Number 7, start of the third quarter. 7, pass to number 27. Rotate, that's good. 28, attack the rim, good for 2. Herenya, pass to Monreal. Monreal back to Herenya. Herenya pala, pass to Monreal. Monreal try to 3. Good.
6 seconds to shoot. Shot now, 6 seconds.
Shot clock 6. Pass to Pariol. Good for 2 by Pariol. Aaron Gomez. Capao, pass to number 27. Ben Paul, back to number 27. Pass to Gomez. Gomez, not good. Rebound by baseball pass by Herenya. Good for 2. Score 28-23 in favor of Blue Team. Capao sets a play. Capao, pass to number 27, stolen by Binball. Traveling. Nag-travel pa sa Katmon. Herenya, attack the rim, pass to Monreal. Pass to number 23, Black. Mera. 27, double. 27, attack sa rim, parang nag-yoga lang. Monreal attacks. Monreal. Black. Capao, nagmamadali. Capao. Good for 2 by Herenya. Kongson, pass to Capao. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. 21. Rebound by Mira. Pass to Herenya. Herenya attacks. Not good. Rebound by Capao. Put back by Capao. Not good. Back to Herenya. Herenya attack. Ball position, red team. This program is brought to you by Catherine Ann's Bake Shop. Ang pandesal ng masa. Good for 3 by Mera. That's Mera. "28, that's Gomez. Gomez dribble the balls, attack. Pass to number 16. Not good. Rebound by Herenya. Number 12, Pariol, pass to Monreal, blocked by Capao. Nangit ka? 7, Capao. Last 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Nomor 15.
Three by Mera. This program is brought to you by Coke. Start of the third quarter. Change time. Four minutes remaining sa atong third quarter. Contapay dribbles the ball. Technical. Pipito. Pass to number 4. That's Contapay. Contapay dribbles the ball. Pass to Pipito. Tries for 3. Not good. Pipito drives out of bounds. Enrique pass to number 69. That's back to Enrique. Abanyo. Number 4, that's Contapay. Attack. Good for 2 by Contapay. Number 17, that's Pipito. Dribble the ball. Pass to Rodrique. Rodrique back to Pipito. Pipito attacks. Back to 63. Not good. Rebound by Abanyo. Black. Traveling. Contapay dribbles the ball. Contapay pass to Pipito. Pipito try for 3. Not good.
So
Foul.
16.
Enrique dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17, that's Pipito. Pipito for 3. Not good. Rebound by Arnold Pipito. Baseball pass. Good. Baseball pass. Abanyo. Contapay dribbles the ball. Contapay, Milo, pass to Soto. Soto, back to Contapay, stolen by number 17, that's Pipito. Rodrique. Contapay dribbles the ball. Pipito. Put back by number 35.
Buhato ka ka-GMP5. surprise case na siya. Siya okay, tuon, 10 minutes. Natin ka box line. Seguinte.
Shot of 10.
Iwat di mo lang.
Maka-answer. Magiging pinano ito dito. No.
Natin ka box line. Daon na ka.
Sabi ko na.
100, 10 minutes lang.
Rami. Grabe kayo kumukuha na ito. Memory dito.
14 seconds na shot clock. Shot number 14.
Ikaw na ba kasi mong ibuhat at
Ano man? Ano man?
hindi ko. June 19. 25. Kasi mag-ibuhat na ito.
Prepare ko pero
Pag na ito, asa maka...
immediate gifts.
Lips. Kayo, usa na lang. Teacher, gusto nila kay Phil nga. Makahimo siya siya raw ba?
30 seconds.
Huwag niya. Ganun din ko mga photo. Mahal ka mo.
Last to 5 seconds.
Shout out.
Traveling violation.
Traveling.
Layos na naman ito. Hayos. Katawad ko. Kajil ko. Kalat.
Number 8.
Sunod na lang. Bawi na lang kami sa labis.
Time remaining 18 seconds. 18 seconds.
Sinabaha pa ka.
Goodness, goodness.
9 seconds and 7 point. Paso Abanyo.
Whistle. Traveling violation.
Punta 5. Paso number 9.